I'm discuss very important topic, how to create local search Google mapping ads. What do you mean by local search Google mapping ads? Any people searching for digital marketing training, marketing training, they're showing for certain maps. This will be showing for organic. Now click for more places. Now we're showing for ad. This will be called your Google mapping ads, local search ads. This one, Google mapping ads. This ad nothing but Google AdWords Express. First. Second one, any website approved by Google AdSense, they're showing for this type of ads. You can see, you can sense your latest collection. They are swiping your options. Here is that. So how will be showing this option? It will be here. Just I'm refreshing in this option. The people can see the ad by using map. You can see lifestyle. The finally they're showing for map. Means you can visit by this address. So how to create this kind of ads? That will be here. That open for business.google.com. Without mapping publishing, we can't create the ad. Publishing is a required. So this all will be publishing. This all will be publishing. So when pending will be there, depend, and this all will be. So everything will be publishing is the mandate field. So I can create my website, Rakesh Tech Solutions. Now select my map. Select it. And then we can create by ads by using by your map. Just scroll down. Manage location. In this, we'll come into back. Will be what option will be? First, you can check the publish or not. Just go back. In this, when you scroll down, create an ad. Create your ad. This ad will be showing for your map with your direction and your website link. But this will be totally three type of ad will be created. One is store visit. Second will be website traffic. Third will be your website sales. And the last one will be get phone call. Get phone call. So three options will be created by ads. So now we discuss about the local search ad by using for store visit. So they are creating ads. Create new campaign. Get more call. Get more. Visit your physical location. Get more. Website seller. Sign up. So I go for which one? Visit your physical location. Nothing but your local search. Any people searching keyword, they're showing for your local search. Select it. Your first interaction with the customers is usually at your shop front, up to your shop location. Second one, you have the physical location you want the customer to visit. Yes, I have the physical location to customer visit. Pick the goal. Next, select your mapping address. So which one you are coming to? Target exposition. Select it. Next, you target by local or global wise. Local or global wise. These are my specific radius of my address. Up to how many kilometers? 65. But we can target up to only 30 kilometers. This is a per month audience. Or else I can go by specific areas. Like you can change it for other country also. You can target by other country also. When people searching for Indian states, they see my map. System Marketing Training Institute in Hyderabad. best digital company in Hyderabad. So anything. So first me I'm target by the local search people. How many kilometers? Up to 30 kilometers. These are the per month audience potential size. Next. So you can select by here. What are the option you can require? Select your option. Follow development, social marketing, and add your digital marketing, services, web hosting, business website. Already I'm adding for digital marketing and website logo, search engine optimization. So this one. Next you can add the web design and development. People any search this keyword, they're showing for my map. People any search this keyword, they're showing for my map. Website design and development. Is it clear? This is all your services. Next, is asking for total one headline, two headline, and one description. This is called your ad. One headline, two headline, description. Ad will be already discussed. The showing for any website will be like this. By image, by text. By text will be like this. So that is called write down. Digital marketing and website. Design and development and web development with best price. Hyderabad. I can use a shortcut RTS, system market and web design and development. See the ad. For the destination, ad will express will be two kind of destination. One is website, second will be map. So my target is only for mapping. Yes, select your map. So RTS will be capital. It's not accepting capital. Go for R is the capital. Remaining RTS will be small. Continue capital letter will be not allowed. First will be capital. Remaining all will be small letters. So here. So you can see the ad. How will we see the customers? Clear? That will be showing for your website also. The scroll up, click for next. The final one, add your three images and your logo. The final destination. Three images and a logo. So first I am adding for three images. Three images you can select by the stock images, already pre-upload images, or else upload by the new images. And always remember size will be minimum 600 to 314 pixel, 200 to 628 pixel. Please note down the pixel. Minimum 600 to 314, 200 to 628. Upload image. Select the proper documentation. What are the service you have maintained? Select it. First image will select by second image. Third image. Click for done. You can see the ad. How many images I'm adding for? 3 images. Select it. You can see the ads. How to display any ad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many ads? 8 and 9 ads. This will be when I'm adding for 3 images, total will be 9. Done. So add your logo. When uploading time, logo will be not displayed properly sometimes, but logo will be displayed by your option. So you can see the ad format. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Any difference? So add for one more logo. How many logos? 2 logos. See the ad format. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ads totally? 9 ads. Mining 2 logos also. The logo size will be 128 by 128 up to 1200 by 1200. 128 by 128 up to 1200 by 1200. I can see I'm adding how many logos? 3 logos, 3 images. Now see the ads totally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Previous and new update I will intimate you. Previous we display by the 20 type of ads. Now they are display only for 9 type of ads. Is a different. Previous 20 now will be showing for 9 type of ads. Click for done and click for next. Finally, you ask in the mobile number. Add your mobile number and add your India. That is called Tannar verify call. Suppose they come into your location, they call your mobile number. Now click for next. Your ad will show info like this. See, add more layout. The ad will show in for Google search. First option, Google Maps. Second option, Google partner site. Means which was approved by the Google AdSense and another mappings. Is it clear? Total ad display by the Google search, Google Maps, Google partner site. Please write down. Now one is Google search, Google Map and Google partner site. Close. Finally, next, check the total ad budget per day. The minimum budget is called 33 rupees. I'm setting for 32. Acceptance correct. Minimum how much budget will be accept? 33. So we can go with the 40 rupees. 40 rupees. This will be not by daily search. This is a total give by monthly searches. 40 rupees. 1200. 6 rupees will be adding for additional GST price. So up to 1216 monthly maximum price. So we will okay with this one. How many clicks will give? 70 to 30 clicks is a monthly, is a genuine clicks. Now click for next. Suppose you increase the budget, the clicks will be more. 5,000, 2,000, 244, 3,741. So just I'm give by 40 rupees. 200 I mentally spending will receive by 70 to 30 clicks. Finally click for next. The finally is going to your budget and review. So finally set up your budget, everything, and image and logo will be ready. That time image will be not loading. So finally your all will be load your option. Phone call adding and your budget will be added, product your service and your ad. This is your shop front. They exactly target by the mapping. Anyone we can create asking the question without website we can create the Google ads. Yes, the option is called Google AdWords Express. Google AdWords Express. So finally click for next. The finally is going to your payment process. So you can see that is enabled here successfully. Select your pause. Anytime you can pause, but Google Ads and Google Ads Express two difference. When pause option, they can ask your feedback. They ask your feedback form. If interested, fill up the feedback. Not interested, close it. And any payment adding will be option is called will be here. Go to settings, billing and payment. Billing and payment. This is a payment service. The payment is accepted by the Paytm, Google Pay, net banking, credit and debit card. Total 5 options. Paytm, Google Pay, net banking, credit and debit card, and money transfer. Totally options. So if you go to billing payments, now first of all, billing country is a mandatory. Why? Because when you are based on the country, the billing will be system will be changed. So every will be ready. Payment, manual payment. So comment here. Which one? Net banking, money transfer, Google Pay, credit debit card, and a Paytm wallet. This is a launching for money transfer and Google Pay and Paytm is a new option will be given by the option. Previous they support by credit and debit card with net banking. Now adding for total 5 options. This is add your payment integration. Is it clear? Once add your payment integration, they start your process by your ads. Anytime ad will be enabled, anytime ad will be disabled. See this. Schedule anytime, pause and run. There are no certain schedule start and end date. Anytime will be start, anytime will be stop. Only Google Ads Express, no schedule time. Please note down. Any Google Ads Express ads, no schedule time. So this is called create local search ads using Google AdWords Express.